tendons. The adult female body contains multiple specialized organs designed for reproduction. The breasts contain adipose tissue and mammary glands responsible for producing breast milk. Each gland is divided into lobules with thousands of alveoli where milk is synthesized. These cells absorb nutrients from blood and convert proteins, fats, and lactose into milk. Prolactin stimulates milk production, while oxytocin triggers muscle contractions for milk release. Milk collects in the alveoli and travels through ducts toward the nipple opening. Infant suction creates pressure that draws milk outward and maintains continuous feeding flow. This process, called lactation, provides complete nutrition and immune protection for newborns.